Universal Orlando has some cool new merchandise. Some of it from an IP I've never seen here before. Let's go check it out. This kiosk in City Walk has Peanuts merchandise. Have you ever seen it in the parks before? Snoopy? Look at this Snoopy bag here for $70. Out to lunch. This is the large bag, very large bag. I don't know what you do with this. It's almost like a suitcase, but that's one side of it. Here is the back side. It says 5 o'clock. Happiness is the end of the work day. And then that's what the label looks like. Peanuts, whatever makes you happy. There we are. A large, just like a tote bag, I guess. I don't know. It's shaped like a suitcase, or like a briefcase. Maybe this will be your work briefcase from now on. And then we have this bag, which is, no, it's not a backpack. It's just a bag. Peanuts, whatever makes you happy. Kind of denim there. There's the front pocket with Snoopy and Woodstock. The little squishy thing here says, "I'll do it tomorrow." And then the back is, there we go, just like just denim on the back, but we have that side with the green and the yellow. This side over here says something, I think. There we go. Happiness is relaxing. So another Snoopy's bag. But I'm not done showing you Peanuts bags. We have this one here. It's also $70. Another, just a bag, not a backpack. But the pattern is going to be different on each bag. So we have a front pocket there. All right. And then as you can see over here, you know, the pattern just lines up differently to how it was cut and placed on the bag. The back of it gives you another look at the pattern they use, and it has a back zipper compartment there. But there we go. 3 Peanuts bags. Each one is $70. Hold the phone, we have another Peanuts bag. This one's only $65. This is one side of it. It has Snoopy laying on his doghouse. Woodstock. Woodstock is on the zipper. Main compartment is a center compartment with a zipper, and then the other side of the bag looks like this. It has Charlie Brown and Snoopy and a bunch of Woodstocks, and happiness is hanging out with friends, it says on this bag. Here in the box we have a double blind. It says Peanuts, whatever makes you happy. Inside would be a mystery enamel pin or a mystery bag charm. Taking a look at the back reveals collect all 4, 15 plus. It also reveals the price, which is $25 for the double blind mystery box. So we have more of this collection, whatever makes you happy, but different IPs. Let me show you. For $65, whatever makes you happy, Rainbow Brite. This bag, one side is blue, Rainbow Brite. A couple different things on. That's just like a little clip-on. You know, not even on the zipper, just kind of hangs out on the bag. This is part of the zipper there, and this is the other side of the bag. So we'll show you a few more things from Rainbow Brite now. The wallet is 20 bucks. That's one side of the Rainbow Brite wallet. And there is the other side. Let's see if I can open it up. Yes, I can. That's what it looks like after you open it. That's the inside of the wallet. For $75, this is a backpack for Rainbow Brite. That's where the front, a couple different compartments that zip up. And let me show you the back. You'll see the rainbow stripes for the back. I have unzipped the front compartment to show you. Ta-da! That's how it looks on the inside. At least that part of the inside. You can kind of see the pattern of the inside, and then what is it? 6 different spots to clip on things. I unzipped the main compartment so you can see what's inside, or at least what it looks like. But wait, that's not all with whatever makes you happy. Betty Boop with this one. This is a backpack for whatever makes you happy, Betty Boop. I forget the name of the dog. I want to say Pudgy. Correct me if I'm wrong. But we have Betty Boop there on the bag. This is just like a clip-on. And then another clip-on is the lips here. Yep. $75 for this Betty Boop. Whatever makes you happy bag. And then we have this bag down here for $65. The front of it, Betty Boop's face. And then the back of it, again, has the label for whatever makes you happy. And then I want to say Pudgy. Hopefully I'm right about that. Another mystery box. Mystery coin bags, Betty Boop. These are $18. And here's what they could be. Is one of them actually a mystery? You know what 5 of them could be, and then we don't know that one. A mystery within a mystery. Collect all 6, it says. And then for $16, a mystery bag charm. So let's see what the options are. What could you have? There you go, collect all 6. And these are something that you would clip onto the bag. Yeah. All right, it's all making sense to me now. So how about that? Charlie Brown and the gang, and Snoopy, and Woodstock, and Rainbow Brite in the house. Inside of Islands of Adventure, there is some merchandise that has been revamped, restylized. Let's go check it out. But first, I would like to point out the stuff I just showed you in City Walk is also in this Toon Lagoon store here. The new Peanut stuff, the new Betty Boop stuff, and the Rainbow Brite. But wait a second, they also have more whatever makes you happy merchandise. This is Strawberry Shortcake. This bag here is $65. Oh, there's some more. Hold on a second. There's also this small bag or wallet for 30 bucks. Whatever makes you happy. Strawberry Shortcake. And for $16, mystery mini tote keychain. I bet there's 6 of them. Yes. Collect all 6. Just a little a side thing to clip on your bag. Here we have for $16, Strawberry Shortcake. Earrings? Yes, I believe these are earrings. They must be earrings because this is a necklace. Also $16, Strawberry Shortcake. Whatever makes you happy. Now let's go to the other side of the park, Seuss Landing, to see that merchandise that looks to be refreshed. At least to me it looks like they've changed it up a bit. It's in the Cats, Hats, and Things store, but also in the Mulberry Street store. Let's go to that one. I'll tell you what though, let's enter through the Gertrude McFuzz doorway. I think they've updated the styling of this Mother of All Things t-shirt for $33. Also, the Father of All Things looks updated to me. The Father of All Things is just $30 though versus the $33 for the ladies t-shirt. Now, for $27, a Mother of All Things baseball cap. Look at the side of it there. White. Go, with your shirt very nicely. Well, if you have the t-shirt and the hat, you might as well get the large Stanley Cup for $40. White to match the hat. Of course, it says Mother of All Things. The Father of All Things also has a baseball cap. Actually, this is a trucker hat, I should say. It's a trucker hat. Father of All Things for $27. And the Father of All Things also has a water bottle or a Stanley type Tervis to match his hat. This is $40. Hey, a better option for the hat and the mug. The white Mother of All Things hoodie for $55. It is zip up the front. The hat as the front logo. And again, look at the back. But that, yeah, that's going to go better with your white cap and your white Tervis, Stanley Cup, whatever. You know what I mean. But Father of All Things also has a hoodie. This one is gray, and it is also zip up the front. So, t-shirt, hat, hoodie, and water bottle things. Let's not forget Aunt and Uncle. Aunt of all things, $33. And I like the color of this one. I like the baby blue, sky blue, Carolina blue. But this one is 30 bucks for Uncle of all things. Let's get to the grandparents. Grandmother of all things, $33. Grandfather of all things, 30 bucks. So this t-shirt appears to be just child sizes only. $28 for the Best Things Forever t-shirt. $25 for the small kid size water bottle. Good things come in small packages. A couple more shirts that are just for child sizes. That thing is my sister. And that thing is my brother. Each shirt is $25. So that is the newest stuff I've seen in the park. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. See you next time.